Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a messages app crashing in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S21 Plus and you're facing the issue that your messages app is crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a long press on your messages app, and here just click on this info button or icon over here, scroll down, go to storage, and you can try to clear cache. Once you've cleared cache, it will clear all the junk files or temporary files that make errors to your Samsung app. So your message app, so it might happen fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to your settings app here, scroll down, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is up to date. After that, you have to go to Play Store, go to search on your Play Store, just search for messages here. Search for message. You might get your message app. I'm using Google Message. I'm gonna select this one, and here you have to make sure that your app has sent any pending update here. If you find any update button, just try to update your app from here. And after updating your app, your issue will be fixed, and you will not get the issue again. If you're still getting the same issues, keep a long press on your messages app again. Click on info button, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear data, and then click delete. It will delete all the data from your messages app. It will not delete your messages. You just have to go to messages app and here resign with your same Google account. And once you have re-signed in, your messages will be in back here. But if you are still facing the same issue, your app is still crashing. So there's the only way. You have to keep a long press on messages app again. Click on this info button and click on this force stop option. Click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your app, before you retry to open your app, scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart button again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and this time you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.